my airplane collection. And so let's get started. C5 Galaxy. Then we got the Mustangs, jets, helicopters, Messerschmitt, Corsair, Bearcat, Messerschmitts. And look at all these aircraft, biplanes. This one's the old one. And these are the others that I had on the aircraft carrier. Here's the E2C Hawkeye and the other airplanes. Then we've got airliners, Lufthansa, American, Air Berlin, and look at all these old airplanes, airliners. These are my own other. These are the Transats. So come along with us on the dinosaur train. All aboard!